Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Well, today in this session, I'm going to talk about one thing which is very much underestimated or one thing which we undermine while learning to speak English fluently and confidently. And trust me on this guys, this is a killer. It really kills us to speak better English. It prevents us from speaking English fluently and confidently or catching up with the speed. Yes, this is a very important thing we need to take care of and it is a little difficult to get away with as well. We need some practice to avoid using this or to avoid this thing to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. So if you want to know what is this thing which is killing our English or which is preventing us to speak fluent and confident English, stay with me. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So we all have this habit of thinking in our mother tongue. So what happens to us is when somebody is talking to us in English as well, we start thinking in our mother tongue how to reply, and then we start translating it English to reply to people. Now, this is one habit which we have to stop doing right away, or rather we have to stop this habit, right? So we have to detach ourselves from translating in English or from translating. Translating is a killer, guys. It kills our English. It kills our ability to speak English fluently and confidently or to grow in English speaking or to grow in our English speaking skills. Now I'm going to tell you how it kills your English and what all things you can do to stop this habit right away or to stop translating in your head in English. Okay, let's do it. So for example, if you take any example like I am going out for dinner or I am going out for a walk. If you literally translate this sentence from your mother tongue to English, it will sound very weird, right? For example, if I am thinking this, I am going out in my mother tongue and I am translating in English, then I'll speak like I out walk going, right? This is the literal translation from my mother tongue to English. I am going out for a walk. I out walk going. Does this make sense? Or it sounds very ridiculous, right? So yes, so this is why we all get confused of our English and we don't feel confident of speaking it in front of people. So what do? We literally translate from our mother tongue to English and it sounds very funny and we are not sure about that sentence as well. And that is why it stops us from speaking in English. So this is a big problem, guys. We have to take care of it and we don't realize it. Every time somebody speaks in English to us, the first thing goes to our mind is, or our brain starts working on, is to translate that English sentence into Hindi or our mother tongue, and then we think of the answer in our mother tongue and we start translating it in English. And this is really not helping us, guys. Try doing this, you'll get to know what I'm talking about. We do it every single day. And that is why we lose confidence in our English and we lose confidence in speaking in English. So that is why stop translating in your head or stop translating in English. This is the first thing you have to do right away, whether you are beginner or an intermediate or an advanced stage. Don't ever follow this. Stop it right now. Every language has its own grammar. Every language has its own sentence structure, and we can't compare the two. If that was that easy or so easy, like every single language had a common structure and common grammar, then I think the languages would not have existed, or different languages would not exist. There will be one single language then. So that is why we have to think about it. We have to take care of this. We should be alert. We should be logical about it. So if every language is different, if every language has a different grammar pattern, every language has a different sentence structure, which means we can't compare the two. We can't club the two. We can't translate them in different languages, or to speak different languages, we can't translate. We have to use the same language as a reference to speak as well. Okay, instead of our mother tongue. How we can do it? I'm going to tell you. The very simple tips which I'm going to give you, which will help you definitely to overcome translation. Right? The first thing you have to do is start using words in English. So what you can do is, whenever you see any object or anything you have to describe, just use it in English. Use those vocabularies or words in English. A red bus, a pink flower, a white balloon, a grey building, a big forest, or a green tree. Start using these kind of vocabulary or English words in your day-to-day life. Right? So once you start naming things in English, using those vocabularies or words in English, it will help your brain to immediately think of that word in English, or that thing or the object or that item in English. So first start using vocabulary or words in English to describe anything. A flying bird, a walking dog, or a barking dog, a silent cat, a cup of tea. Anything. Start describing things in English. In your head also you can do it. Every day you can do it. Whatever you see. Oh, a swimming pool, an entrance gate, a tall building, or a school, or a yellow school bus. There are lots of things every day you see. Just start talking about it in English. You don't want to use it in sentences, just use words to describe it. But it is important to describe it in English. Every single day, make sure whatever you are going to see, you have to speak about it in English. Just like this, not full sentence. A green plant, a red bus, a yellow school bus, a beautiful park, hot snacks, a cup of tea, my favorite couch. Use chunks of words to describe something, not the complete sentence. Chunks of words like a beautiful garden. It's not a complete sentence, right? You're just describing the garden in this way, a beautiful garden. These are chunks of words, 2-3 words together you're using to describe something. So start using chunks of words to describe what you see. So this is the first exercise you have to do, which will help you to overcome your translation. Okay, second is, now what you can do next. So the next solution is start creating a small story around things or what you see. Okay, so basically it's all about when you're looking at something and you're describing that with chunks of words about it, in the same way you can create a small story also. Now for example, a beautiful garden you have described. Now let's come up with a small story in 2-3 sentences about it. Okay, this is a garden. Okay, it has beautiful flowers. The garden looks beautiful with flowers. Okay, this is a small story which you have come up with in 2-3 sentences maximum. Okay, another, a barking dog, which we spoke about. Now let's talk about it. This is a dog. It is black in color. It is barking at everyone passing by, or you can just talk about it's barking at everyone. Okay, so this is how you can talk about that dog. Okay, in this way, lots of things, lots of stories you can come up with just by looking at things. Okay, so start using these techniques, tips, tricks in your daily routine just to start speaking in English or stop translating in your mother tongue to English. Okay, these small things will help you to build confidence and help your brain to start thinking in English, and ultimately it will stop translating. It will immediately or automatically things will come to your mind in English. Okay, so these are practice sessions or exercises which you have to include every single day so that it helps your brain to start thinking in English, and ultimately it will stop translating. So this is the second thing you can do. Number 3 is every day for 5 minutes, make it a point that you are going to think in English. Now, what does that mean? Whatever thoughts are coming to your head, whatever things are going around or happening in front of you, you have to take 5 minutes out to speak about it or think about it in English only. Take your stopwatch or a timer, set your timer for 5 minutes and see what you can do. You have to speak about every action, activity, things or your thoughts in English. Don't think anything in your mother tongue, just for 5 minutes. So this is an exercise or a practice session which you have to include in your daily routine to start thinking in English and to stop translating. And these are very simple exercises, guys. You can just describe anything by using chunks of words, which is very easy. You can just create a small story around things, what you're seeing. Okay, the third is just for 5 minutes every single day, set up a timer and start either speaking in English or thinking in English, whatever you want to do. Okay, you have to make sure that in this 5 minutes, you don't have to think or speak anything in your mother tongue. This will help you to exercise your brain or to rewire your brain to start thinking in English. And these are very helpful exercises, guys. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you, bye-bye and take care.